I just heard a really loud one, so I'm recording now. It's getting worse. This is some weird lightning. Ooh! Oh, it's getting even closer now. Rain's really getting worse. It's raining so bad right now. Holy crap. I'm gonna make this part probably 5 minutes since it's getting worse. I'll try to upload it. I'll do the best I can. Even if it takes a while, I'll find something else to do while it's uploading. Because you know how annoying YouTube is. Unfortunately, that'll be pretty much my only choice at that point. Is to just suffer through it. Fortunately, nothing's easy anymore. The wind's getting a lot worse. Ooh. Rain's getting a lot worse. Oh my, this is insane. It's completely pouring now. Ooh. Very intense storm. Off topic, but I am planning to make a VHS show video tomorrow, guys. On my older phone. Poor quality, but it'll take a lot less time to upload, which is good. It won't take very long to upload at all, because potato quality. Oh my god, I hope it doesn't hail. I hope it doesn't hail. might go on another minute. This is insane. Whoa! I hope power lines don't start to snap. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is blowing my mind right now. I haven't seen a thunderstorm like this all year so far. This is probably the worst one. Oh, actually, no, there's one worse one. Actually, wait, no, there's a couple worse where it actually hailed. I don't see any hail yet, but it probably will. Because this storm looks pretty mean. I'll make another video if this gets worse.